Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to control tagged posts on your Facebook profile using the latest web update. If you've ever been tagged in posts you didn't want showing up on your profile, this feature is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC using your preferred browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. A smaller menu will appear, and here you'll want to select Settings. Now you'll be taken to the main settings page. On the left-hand side, scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled Page and Tagging. Click on it to open the tagging settings. Here's where the important part comes in. Look for the setting that says Review Posts that you're tagged in before the post appears on your page. This option gives you full control over what shows up on your profile when someone tags you. Simply toggle this setting on. Once enabled, anytime someone tags you in a post, it won't automatically appear on your profile. Instead, you'll get a chance to review it first and decide whether you want it visible on your page or not. This is a great way to keep your profile clean and ensure that only the content you approve is displayed. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Tag Review on Facebook using your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more simple guides like this.